He believes in living on the knife's edge. After balancing on a 5-inch mutton chopper at Town Hall last year, 20-year-old Sagar, an alumnus of St. Aloysius College, has now pulled off an astonishing glass stunt on Panambur Beach on Sunday. A student of animation graphics here, Sagar, who has been inspired by the likes of David Blaine and Chris Angel, lay on a bed of glass pieces and was covered with them. The stunt began at about 4 p.m. on the beach. He first laid himself on glass pieces. A special stage was set for this purpose, and the glass pieces were spread inside a box made of glass. His associates poured glass pieces on his body until he was fully covered. Hundreds of spectators strolling on the beach were astonished to watch this marvelous stunt. People surged forward to have a better view of Sagar. This dangerous real-life stunt was performed for the first time at Panambur Beach. Sagar was inspired by David Blaine and Chris Angel, famous TV magic show professionals. Those were agonizing moments for Sagar's mother to watch her son lying on glass pieces. However, she expressed her joy when the adventure was finally over. Sagar acknowledges the moral support extended by his mother and elder sister Shilpa.
ಪೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಕ್ತ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ ರಕ್ತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಈಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಟಿ ವಿ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನಿಂದ ದಿಲ್ ಪವರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಆಗಲಿ ಈಗ ಆಗ್ತಂತಲ್ಲ 2 hours ಆಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ದೇವರ ಹತ್ರ.
He laid on the glass pieces for almost 2 hours. It is beyond doubt that it is a record in the history of Dakshina Kannada district. Sagar now plans to perform many such adventurous acts in the coming days.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
It was a rare occasion of music, sentimental reminiscences and nostalgia at Kalangan in Shaktinagar on Sunday, June 1st evening. Mansoban's monthly theatre featured Mansoban, the music which made waves in Konkani world some 20 years before.
ಮಾಂಡ್ ಸೋವಾಣ ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ನೋವು ಮೋಣ ವಾಜಪ್ತಾಲ ಕೋಕಲು ಮೂಣ
ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ನೋವು ಮೋಣ ವಾಜಪ್ತಾಲ ಕೋಕಲು ಮೂಣ
ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ನೋವು ಮೋಣ ವಾಜಪ್ತಾಲ ಕೋಕಲು ಮೂಣ
ಕವಿತೆಗೆ ನೋವು ಮೋಣ वाजवताला भोकल मुना
तांचे लगीन घडता तेन्ना मांड सोभाणा
तांचे लगीन घडता तेन्ना मांड सोभाणा
तांचे लगीन घडता तेन्ना मांड सोभाणा
तांचे लगीन घडता तेन्ना मांड सोभाणा मांड सोभाणा मांड सोबन मुळार कितें म्हूण नाका तामी नेणा संतोषाचे जरी मुना मांड सोबाणा ती मांड सोबाणा संतोषाचे जरी मुना मांड सोबाणा ती मांड सोबाणा.
It was the 78th show at the Kalangan Monthly Theatre Series and the 172nd Manshoban show. All the singers mesmerized the audience with their voices blending so well, besides the skill of modulation. During the vocal performance, Mansoban's first family couple, Eric and Joyce Ozerio, were joined by Zina Pereira, Prakash D'Souza, Robin Sequeira, Carol Montero, Disha Pasanna, and children Arthur Lobo, Prismita Di Costa, and Diana Paez. Between the songs, Francis Di Costa spoke on behalf of sponsors and assured of organizing one show of Mansoban musical performance every year. Lyricists whose songs have been chosen by Mansoban were rewarded by cash prizes during the occasion.
कोंकणीची रूस जातल्या कोंकणीची सोबाय देखल्या संगीताची लार हांगासर आमी देखल्यान आनी आमी खूब संतोष पावल्या आनी हांव चिंता हांव आमच्या कॉड्रेलच्या मिर्ता तर्फेन म्हणटा आमचो आनी तुमचो मोग घडला.
Melvin Rodriguez, who had compared for the first Mansoban performance along with the late Jafra Di Costa, executed his assignment well with his rich language, including some hilarious jokes. Roshan D'Souza on lead guitar, Rizwan on flute, Richard Montero on keyboard, Sunil Kumar on violin, Damodar Kumble on tabla, Robert Gonzalez on extra effects, Macvin Fernandez and Dylan Caldera on box guitars gave able accompaniment to ensure the success of the musical evening. Rizwan, a flutist from the film world, took the audience to a soothing world with his magic of acoustics. Eric Ozerio was the composer of all the songs. Cordial friends Loy, Praveen, Francis, Walti and Rajesh sponsored the event. Krishna Palemar, who visited his home district as minister for the first time, was welcomed grandly at Bajpayee Airport on Sunday, June 1st. A huge crowd was awaiting Palemar's arrival at the airport and started cheering him as he walked towards the exit. Then he made his way to the city in a procession which culminated at the local BJP office. Krishna Palemar, who won Mangalore North constituency for the second time, has been named a minister in Yediyurappa's cabinet. The defeat of former minister Nagaraj Shetty has also helped ease the path for Palemar in securing a cabinet berth. Though Mangalore South MLA Yogesh Bhatt and Sulya MLA Angara have both been successful in becoming MLAs 4 consecutive times, Palemar has now overtaken them in the ministerial race. Palemar has successfully maintained peace in his communally sensitive constituency during his tenure as MLA. Therefore, minority votes have also gone in his favor during this election. As a result, the poll margin against the Congress candidate has increased this time. Also, his unstinted efforts for the development of his constituency have added to his charm.
ಹಿಂದಿನ ಶಾಸಕನಾಗಿ 3.5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಇಡೀ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಹುಭಾರವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಕ್ಷ ನನಗೆ ಹೊರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 224 ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳು ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಲಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಪ್ರಣಾಳಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಆಡಳಿತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾದರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿರುವಂಥ ಕನಸು ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದಿಂದಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಾದರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳಿಂದ 50 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಕಾಡ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಮನ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಜನತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜನತೆಗೆ ಬೇಡದಂತ ನಾವು ಒತ್ತಾಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಬೇಡ, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಜನತೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಭಿನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವರು ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ SZ, ಕೆಲವರು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರ, ಜನರ ಸಹಕಾರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅವರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ತಿಳಿದು